Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 10. I cannot believe it's December 10th already. It's insane. Today, Saturday, marks one full day of us doing our full renovation and building. So it's, wait, is it really? Wait, we started Saturday. Is today Saturday? Yeah, a full week. Holy manoli. So a full week of building, and it's really insane. I think I've said this already, how much we've gotten done in the span of a week versus our like months of putting into this. And Destiny wanted it done a lot sooner, which I completely understand, but I knew realistically it wasn't going to happen in 2 days. I just knew. And yeah, because once you see what we've done, like there's just no way this would have been in 2 days, and I'm so excited. So today is move-in day. We're moving back into the van. We're putting everything in, kind of organized, and put a little bit stuff in last night. Not really, but kind of like all of our spices and canned goods and stuff. I'll show it to you. Didn't have to bore you with it. Plus there was absolutely no lighting yesterday. So today we're gonna put in some more things and kind of do the final touches. Have to epoxy. I think we told you this, but we messed up yesterday. I forgot to drill the hole, so we had to wait for it to fully dry, so she has to drill the hole. Also, it's been really cold. Can you see the air? So it's not that cold. We're not like super close to the mountains. Like if we're at our old house, which is just a few like 15-20 minutes that way, but closer to the mountains, we would have been screwed. But anyways, let's get the show on the road. It's move-in day.
Moving day.
Are we putting more other stuff? Oh, nice. I think I tried that and it didn't work. It didn't fit. But if you can make it all fit, go for it.
I'm cleaning it out because
listening to our friends. True supporter here.
one of the surgical loops popped.
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, you're just cleaning it out and put it back?
No, like I was wondering why these were all like gooey, but now it makes sense because it was for like anal glands. And
yeah.
The lube
What's in there?
Here.
Oh,
So
gotcha.
gross.
Okay. Well, I was about to bring the big one, and I was gonna put it right where.
And that bag, it just has stuff.
All right, so the battery died, but we moved in. Ish.
It's a disaster.
We moved back in. It's a disaster. Things are put away. Clean clothes. More clean clothes. Well, a lot of clean clothes actually. And stuff. But things are getting organized. The garage is organized. I'll show you that. Destiny's doing the sinky things. Oh, you put a hole in? The camera died right when we were trying to record her putting a hole in the floor. And yeah, that's exciting.
It's exciting.
What else? What else have we done? We moved. I think I recorded. I honestly don't remember when the camera died, but do you? I don't. Is it gonna stay this way? Probably not.
Yes, it is.
That's. Thanks. This is our beautiful moon shade, our weights, which I organized, and then they got unorganized. That's stuff that just needs to go in there. But I don't know if I finished showing you our drawer. So this is all the dog stuff. All the dog stuff. Medicine stuff. This is like outdoor things. Our plug for things. Some la la la. Dee 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 dee. That is our outdoor fire kit. Hammock. Some other things. Right now this is miscellaneous because We have our hiking boots in there, like an extra purse. This I made, I can't open it right now. There we go. This is winter and summer. So bathing suits, yes, we have a lot, probably like 3 each, and like cover-ups. And then this is like snow gloves, beanies, scarves, all that stuff. And then this is our emergency kit. Everything. And it's an emergency, like if the world was going to end, kind of emergency. Hot hands, blah blah blah, extra deodorant, extra soap, extra toothbrushes, extra thingies, medicine that I've kept from my dentist, bandages, COVID test, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, aloe, and a lot of flashlights. We need to put batteries in here, probably some other things, but we had this in our apartment when we were living there. We just downsized that to a drawer. But yeah, looks beautiful. And now we have to add some stuff that belong in here. So we are now finally epoxying for the second time. Huh? For the second time? Yeah. Technically it's the first coat, but we're gonna get ready to do this. Also, now that you can see, I painted just the outside because that's all that's going to be seen. But I'm actually really obsessed with this idea. So we have black on the outside, and then we're just going to do bins here, and I also painted the face here. Oh no. And then Lord, this did look better, but oh, it started dripping, so I rolled it, and so we have splashes. I'm like, I don't know what's fucking worse. Probably can't see it in the camera, but it looks horrible. Let's see, can you see it?
It's terrible.
Yeah.
I told you should have just left it. That looks worse.
Thanks, baby. You're so sweet. How long do you have to mix this for?
6 minutes in 1 cup, and then you put it in a clean cup and spin it. Mix it for another 6 minutes.
How's your arm feeling?
My wrist is sore.
Let's look at the wrist. Look at the wrist.
Okay.
Here we go.
You could literally feel the cup get warm.
Yeah, it says it gets hot. Yeah. Radiates heat. Here you go, babe. Go.
Can you keep mixing this?
Yeah.
Keep mixing this. My new task is to put everything back in here. We use I'm trying to find the lightest one. These are our water jugs that we use, and we usually have 2 with our water, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 here, or there are 2 up there. We have 7? I'm not too sure. But it's kind of a pain, but we're trying to figure them out. I'm also using hooks. I also have these kind of hooks. They're Lifesaver, and I have them along our bed here. So this is holding up our moonshade. We have our shovel, how we use the bathroom, our chairs, our backpack. I'm just trying to find, and I'm putting another one right here. But this is easy to have things hang. It's nice if you can have it here as well, but this one just fell off for me. So that was fun. Wasn't thin enough. I mean, wasn't thick enough. Oh, maybe you can get another one. Okay. Anyways, that. Anyways, that's my task right now. I am putting this here. I think I'm gonna move the hats here. Try to keep that like workout station. I'm trying to be organized. Honestly, I miss organization and knowing where everything goes, because then it's just great. And if you've never used these command strips, you can literally buy them from Target, which is a little expensive, but Home Depot, and they are more expensive. They have these ones, and then like we had these ones in the kitchen because they were like fancier, so kind of cute, you know, fancier. These are like plastic, and then we also had these gray ones because we couldn't find the white ones. So they all work. They're amazing and reusable. I'm reusing these ones. Reusable if you save the whole part. So ta-ba-da! Here is the hats. Yay! This one doesn't have that many hats right now. Spice rack going in.
coming together. Alright, so it is hours later, and we are somewhat moved in. The epoxy is still drying, so it is still at my Nana's house. We're going back early tomorrow morning. We had to bring it inside because it's getting so cold that like bubbles were just appearing. So note to self, make sure to do it. It did say on the instructions to do it 70 degrees or above, and we are not near that. It's not that cold, but it's also not that. It's not 70 degrees at all. So anyways, we got dressed, we showered, and we are heading to Destiny's. What are you doing today? Making tamales. This isn't the same. Tamale.
That's fine, you got a lot. You guys can get some stuff to do.
So what are you thinking? Like, I don't know, that's weird. Like, can I get that or what? I kind of do want mine like extra cheese too, though.
So add however much you want.
And then what, you just like that?
If you want it super cheesy.
How many times have you done this?
How many times have I made tamales? When did I start? Grandma!
When you were 8?
When did I start making tamales with you?
You were always in the kitchen.
That makes sense.
How little? Huh? She said little.
Like 4 little, like 7 little.
Like 7, 8. That's when she was like all into everything, you know? With Grandpa.
I used to use probably the same stool that's on the side of the fridge. I'm not even kidding you. We're done. We're done. We made.
How many? What'd she say?
Drop it like it's hot. Don't mind my mom. We made 5.5 dozen, and then my no 4.5.
Us together, no 5.
5.5. My cousin made 4, and my mom made 4. 5.5. 5. So 10, 11, 12, 14, I think.
Too many.
And we're not done. Tomorrow we have more.
What?
Can't wait to eat some tomorrow for lunch.
That's exciting.
The only sad thing is we have to wake up at 6 a.m. to do it. Bill, it's the 8th day. It was fun the first day, and it's not fun
It was like the
anymore.
fun the first 2, and then I'm like,
No,
I wish it was over.
fun the first hour. Let's be honest.
Alright, we have some building to done for our van to be
For our
done.
last day.
Woo!
I hope.
I
I've been
hope.
saying
No,
last
stop
day
saying
since
hope.
last Sunday.
Well, that was not smart.
Good night.
Good night.
We didn't forget.
Good night.